Gold has always been a symbol of wealth, power, and security. But with all the financial options available today, do billionaires still turn to gold as a safe haven? Stick around, because in just a few minutes, we're diving deep into the investment choices of the world's richest individuals. Billionaires have access to the best financial advisors, and with their wealth, they can invest in just about anything. So why gold? The answer is surprisingly simple: diversification. Gold isn't just shiny, it's a hedge against inflation, currency devaluation, and economic instability. Many billionaires, including Ray Dalio and John Paulson, have significant portions of their portfolios in gold. They use it as a safety net when the markets get rough. But don't be mistaken, gold isn't the core of their portfolios. It's a small part, usually 5 to 10%. It's there for protection, not for explosive growth. They understand that while gold holds value, it doesn't generate income like stocks or real estate. Here's how they typically approach it: diversification, spreading out risk across different asset classes, hedge against uncertainty, protecting wealth during economic downturns, long-term preservation, holding an asset that maintains value over time. Imagine the world's economy on the brink of collapse, currencies failing, markets crashing. In these moments, gold becomes more than just metal. It's a lifeline, a beacon of stability when everything else is falling apart. That's why even billionaires with all their resources still trust gold. It's not just an investment, it's peace of mind. You don't need a PhD in finance to understand why gold is valuable. It's been a trusted store of wealth for thousands of years, and that's something everyone can grasp. The takeaway? If billionaires see value in holding gold, maybe there's something there for you too. So do billionaires invest in gold? Absolutely. But more importantly, how can you apply their strategies to your own financial journey? If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more insights that could change the way you think about money. And drop a comment below. Do you invest in gold, or is there another asset you swear by? Let's talk about it.